The grid that you see here now at the moment is a very minimal grid, just to program in the basic items. However, it can be completely customized to fit your own requirements, and there are various and many more other columns that can be added in. To give an example, at the moment we are seeing product name, our selling price, department, and barcode. But what about cost prices? Or adding linking up items to suppliers, etc. So what we can do is under form functions, we can click on that, we can go to form setup, and from this here we can now select what other columns we'd like to put in. So I can put in cost price, and I would like to calculate my selling prices against a markup. Maybe I'm using price number 2 as well. I've got 2 prices on a particular product. Under the product tab, I can also select this one, random SKU code, is where you can then allocate your own product code to an item. Other description, for argument's sake, is where if an item has multiple descriptions, one description can be used to give an explanation what the item is, and maybe another description is just a code. So as you can see, there are various other columns that we can set up. If I now click on save, you'll now see that the selling price and the cost price columns have all been added in. So now what I can do is I can take, let's say for argument's sake, the dog's small bowl. I can now put in its cost price. So let's say for argument's sake, the cost price is 20 Rand. The price is taxable. It's now showing my actual markup and my actual margin against the selling price and the cost price. If I put in a target markup percentage, let's say I'm looking for a target markup of 60%, it will then calculate what my suggested selling price should be. I can then put in my suggested price. So if I put in the price of, let's say, 37 Rand now, you'll see that my actual markup has now changed to 60.87. My actual target markup doesn't change, as this is what I'm looking to achieve, and my suggested price won't change either, as this is what it's just suggesting what it needs to be. So from here now I can see which items are falling below my suggested price. My members column is actually my price 2, and all these columns can be renamed to, again, fit what you think is best for yourself. But I'm going to change members to reflect just to say price 2. So again, I can go to form functions, the setup, form settings, and if I select price 2, you will see the current column name as members. I'm going to change it just to say price 2. I can now save the column. And now when I reload, it now says price 2. So now there's my main selling price and then price 2 that I can allocate onto the product. I can have up to 8 selling prices on one item.